Kinesthetic learners learn best by doing and enjoy hands-on experience. Kinesthetic learners find success in fields that lean towards hands-on and experiential learning, such as engineering, physical education, sports science, sciences in general, and vocational training and trades. Engineering courses, civil, mechanical, electrical, and so on, heavily rely on practical application, design, and building, which are conducive to kinesthetic learning. Physical or sports science courses involve sports coaching, athletic training, and biomechanics, offering many opportunities for hands-on learning. Vocational training or trades courses, such as in carpentry, plumbing, welding, and other trades, provide practical hands-on experiences. Science courses, biology, chemistry, physics, and so on, involve laboratory work and experiments which are suitable for kinesthetic learners.